Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of Shopware 6 Follow Category plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the customers to follow the child categories within the web store. After following a category, the customers will start getting notifications for that category products. The customer will get an email notification whenever any new product is being added to that following category. On the other hand, the admin can configure the mail template for the notification that is sent out to the customers whenever a new product is being added to that particular category. Apart from that, the admin can view the list of all the categories and the total number of customers following that category. So all in all, this particular plugin helps the admin to see the category list with the total number of followers. Customers can view and manage their followed categories from their account section. The admin can see the customer list with the total number of followings. Customers can only follow the child categories. Customers can see the followed categories and unfollow categories separately as required, and the customers will get an email notification whenever any new product is being added to a following category. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the Shopware 6 Follow Category plugin at the customer's end and at the admin's end as well. But before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial today, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So to follow a particular category, it's mandatory for you to be logged in. You can see that right now I'm not logged into my customer account. So what I've done is I've gone to this particular section and tapped on the login button, and from here I can enter my email address, password, and tap on the login button to log into my customer account. So after the successful installation of the Shopware 6 Follow Category plugin, the customers will find one follow category option in the customer account panel here on the left hand side, or on the top right hand corner as well. Here you will find the follow category option. Now if I tap on the follow category option, I will be taken to the section where we can see the followed categories by the customer, and here you can manage your categories as per your own requirement. So right now you can see that you have not followed to any categories yet, and on the right hand side you have the section wherein you can follow the categories or the child categories of the store there. To follow a particular category, what you need to do is you just need to tap on the follow button that you can see next to that particular child category. So for example, for baby category, I can tap here on the follow button, and you can see now that we have the category name and we have the unfollow option for the category. Now whenever a new product is being added to this particular category, the customer will receive an email notification for the same that looks like something like this. Hello customer name, a product has been added in your favorite category. Description is given below. The product name, the product price, and the option to check the product details as well. Similarly, if you want, you can subscribe to, or you can follow to the different categories or child categories of the store by tapping on the follow option here, on the follow button, and that particular category would be added here. To unfollow any particular category, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the unfollow button, and that particular category would be unfollowed by the customer itself. And if there are still any child categories remaining that you have not what we say as followed to, then you can see them under this particular section that says you can also follow these categories, as you can see on the right hand side there. So this was the workflow at the customer's end, how the customers would be able to follow and unfollow a particular child category within the store. And I also showed you the mail that is received by the customer whenever a particular product is being added to followed category there. The product name, the price, and the product description is being shared on the mail to the customer there. Now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you the rest of the workflow of this particular plugin in the admin backend panel. For that, let's hop onto the Shopware 6 backend panel and enter the username, password, and tap on the login button thereafter. Now after the successful login, and after you've successfully installed the particular Shopware 6 Follow Category plugin within your Shopware 6 backend, what you need to do is you need to navigate to settings, and under settings you have to go to extensions. Now here you'll find three different options. One is the category follower, customer following, and the email template. So the very first option that we have here is the category follower. So if I tap on that, we'll be able to see the different categories that are being followed by different followers. So here we can see the name of the categories and the total number of followers for each of the categories being followed by the customers. And from here you can delete any listing as well. Now let's go back. Extensions, then we have customer following. Under customer following, we can see the customer name, the customer email, and the total number of category following there. And from here as well, you can delete the particular listing as per your own requirement. Now coming back to the extensions, then we have the email template. So here you can set up the email template subject, and here we have a default email template that would be used to send out the notification to the customers whenever a new product is being added to a particular category that is being followed by the customer. So here you can see that the subject is add new product, hello customer name, the product has been added in your favorite category, description is given below. Now the same is visible here, hello customer first name last name, a product has been added in your favorite category, description is given below, the category name and the rest of the things there itself. You can also enable the email template by choosing this enable email template as well, and this would allow you to set up a customizable email template that would be sent out to the customers there. Otherwise you can also make use of the default email template that we have already provided within the configuration settings here. And lastly, you just need to tap here on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the Shopware 6 follow category plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how the registered customers would be able to find the follow category option under their customer account panel, and how they can follow or unfollow a particular category there by tapping on the follow and unfollow buttons under the actions column there, and how the customers would receive an email whenever a particular product is being added within the category that is being followed by the customer himself. And the rest of the configuration settings that include the three options, that is the category follower, showing the complete list of categories and the total number of followers for each of the categories. Then the other option, that is the customer following, and lastly the option for the email template there itself. So if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ubdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.